Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new Class 66 Rocks Stobart review. So in today's review we are continuing to look at the Stobart Jockey Championship series of trucks. Now this particular truck I haven't got the cardboard casing to, as I purchased it from Stafford Swap Meet about maybe 2 years ago now. It's before obviously all the restrictions, etc. Now the product code of this is 76SHL08WF. So without further ado, let's have a look at which model we've got today then. So as you can see today, we have a Scania Highline model. Now the particular jockey on this trailer is Ryan Moore. Now I did go to this year's Stafford Model Railway exhibition, exhibition swap meet, on last Sunday just gone, and I have got a few more of these as a Christmas present from my parents, so there will be more of these coming soon. So at the time this particular model was £15, so it's presented on a black display stand, and obviously it's got the plastic case over the top of it just to keep it safe and stop it from getting damaged. So without further ado, let's take a look at the truck itself then. So what I'll do, I'll just take some of this sellotape off, so I'm just going to pause the video for a second and then I will be back. Right, okay, so I've just loosened the sellotape that's holding the case to the display stand on either end. So let's get this lid taken off and have a look at the model itself. So we'll just take this piece of plastic off the top as well. Okay, so first off, obviously it's not too light, it's not too heavy, it's sort of in between. So what we'll do, we'll start with the tracked unit first and then work our way round to the trailer around the back and then round to the other side. So on the top of the aerofoil we have got the Stobart wording. Moving down to the left and right hand sides, we have the visor just below the Stobart wording, and we have the driver's mirror and the blind spot mirror on the left and right hand side. Just below the windscreen we have the Scania logo in silver, and just below that we have the name of the truck, which I think is Kianna. I'm just trying to zoom in on that the best I can. Yes, it looks like Kianna. In the centre of the grille we have the Stobart cab wrap design printed very neatly. Moving down we have the R480 or R450 logo just there on the left, and on the bumper there we've got the number plate PX64TXK, and just above that we have the lights and the indicators. Moving the truck round to the side, so it's a 6-wheel tracked unit. On the passenger side we have the Stobart Group wording on the top of the foil just there. Moving down we've got the Stobart Renewable Energy design, or the leaf design as some like to call it, printed neatly on the side of the passenger door. And again on the bottom of the passenger door we have the name and the fleet number H83, I think that's a 85. I'll just check that though. Okay, so yeah, I'm sure it just say H8385. So moving along to the trailer now, we've got the walkway where the driver obviously walks up to roll back the tarpaulin sheet. On the side of the trailer we've got the leaf design printed very neatly. Moving along in the centre we have the jockey's name, which is Ryan Moore. We have the Great British Racing logo, the Professional Jockeys Association logo, and the Stobart Jockeys Championship logo. Now underneath the jockey's name we have the hashtag Jockey Champs, and on the back we also have an image of the horse and the jockey. It's a triaxle trailer as well, and underneath we also have the trailer legs. So moving the stand round to the back now. On the back of the trailer doors we have the Stobart Renewable Energy wording, as well as the leaf design. On the left hand side there we have an image of the jockey Ryan Moore, and moving down on the bottom left and right hand sides we have the trailer number, which is WF162. Just underneath the doors, just below this red and white striped bumper, we have the number plate PX64TXK and the indicators, reverse brake lights and the reversing lights on the bottom left and right hand sides. So moving the truck round to the other side now. Again, on the back of the vehicle we have an image of the horse and the jockey. We've also got the trailer straps spaced the same apart, printed very neatly in silver. Again we have the jockey's name, which is Ryan Moore, the Jockey Champs hashtag, the Great British Racing logo, the Professional Jockeys Association logo, and the Stobart Jockeys Championship logo. On the front again we have the Stobart Renewable Energy lift design, printed very neatly. Moving across to the driver's side we have the Stobart Group wording on the top of the foil just there, as you can see. Moving down we've got the Stobart Renewable Energy livery, again printed very neatly on the driver's door, and on the bottom of the driver's door we have the name, bit bad focus there, Kianna, and the fleet number H8385. So that is it basically. The Oxford Diecast Scania Highline in the Stobart Jockey Championships livery.